Ayan guys, so dahil naubusan tayo ng pambili ng gamot, ayan, may naiisip akong apps na kung saan pwede tayong mag-withdraw ng pera. Dahil sa apps na to ay pwede tayong kumuha ng ating earning anytime, anywhere, everywhere. Kaya ano pa inaantay mo? Let's go, mag-withdraw na tayo para may pambili na tayo ng gamot. There you go guys, mag-withdraw nga pala ako dito sa aking TikTok shop. Ayan, so dahil dito sa ating TikTok shop ay pwede siyang ma-withdraw anytime kung magkano yung kinita mo. Ayan, so pasok tayo sa ating account guys, and then pagkatapos tap lang natin yung TikTok shop Creator Center. Pagkatap mo nito ay papasok ka naman ngayon sa iyong earning. Ayan, tap natin tong Anak Now. And then pasok tayo sa ating earnings. Earnings guys ay pumapasok dito yung ating income. Okay? So anytime, anywhere, everywhere pwede mo itong ma-withdraw. Ayan, mapa Pilipinas or mapa abroad ka man. Basta meron tayong Philippine number na gamit dito at GCash. So tap natin yung withdraw balance. And then tap next and then withdraw balance. Ayan, so tap natin yung withdraw balance. At pagkatapos guys ay ilalagay lamang natin dito yung ating amount. So kung magkano yung amount na ating i-withdraw. Ayan, 910. Ayan. So ito sa ibabaw yung ating GCash account na nakalink dito sa ating TikTok. Ayan. At meron tayong babayaran na 5 pesos. So it's okay. Ayan, withdraw now. Ayan. So andito yung confirmation no, for withdrawal. Ayan, so andyan yung fee, andyan yung withdraw amount, and andyan yung GCash account natin, and confirm to withdraw lang guys. So pagka na-confirm na natin yan guys, no, ayan, withdrawal in progress. Ibig sabihin, pumapasok na siya sa ating GCash. So para malaman natin kung pumasok na, syempre, tap natin yung ating SMS. Makikita natin dito yung GCash update. Ayan, so meron tayong na-receive na 904 from TikTok shop with messages. New balance is blah blah blah. And tap naman natin yung ating GCash. Ayan, sorry. So, double check na natin guys no, para sigurado. Ayan. May nakalagay dito na you have received itong disbursement from our TikTok guys. Ayan. So naka-receive tayo ng 904. So meron na tayong pambili ng tawag doon, gamot.